Hey people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're new to this channel, you are highly welcome. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to tighten up and firm up your saggy boobs. Alright guys, so the thing is that saggy boobs might come naturally as a result of childbirth, and some it might come because you have actually neglected it. Okay, because when we ovulate or menstruate, the boobs tends to be sore and it's gonna swell, like it's gonna be bigger than the usual size. So at that time, maybe you've actually, like, you don't care about it and it begins to go down. Okay, so this natural remedy is going to help you to bring it up. Alright, so if you want to know what it comprises, please do continue watching, and don't forget to hit on the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you want to ask me any questions, please do that on my website. The link will be at my description box and at my comment section. Alright guys, follow me on Instagram and let's dive into this video. First ingredients we're going to be needing will be aloe vera. Now aloe vera is one great ingredient that is essential for the skin as well as the hair and also the body. It helps so much in tightening up the saggy and flappy skin, so it's going to be ideal in tightening up a saggy and flappy breast. So first of all, we're going to be needing just a little cut of aloe vera, and then we're going to be preparing the aloe vera, guys. Now you just need aloe vera, the gel. Okay, that's basically what we're going to be needing for this treatment, guys. So you're going to cut open and then you're just going to scrape the old gel inside a bowl. And I'm doing it this way, guys, because I've been doing it like this for some time, so I'm actually used to it. So for you not to cut your hand, guys, you have to just cut off the gel and then you blend it. Okay, so I'm gonna be scraping it and scraping all of the gel. Now for this season, this time, aloe vera is just going to be very slimy. Ingredient which is going to be egg. We are going to be needing the egg white for this remedy, guys, because egg white helps so much in tightening up a loose and saggy skin. It does not only tighten up the skin, it also helps to tighten up a saggy breast, and it also leaves the skin glowing because it helps to minimize the appearances of large pores. Therefore it removes wrinkles and fine lines. Okay, now to prepare the next ingredient, which is going to be egg, I'm going to be needing a bowl. Then I'm just going to be breaking in the egg. So I'm going to be taking just the egg whites into this bowl. Okay, there's this part in egg that is actually very slimy, so you also need that part. Okay, so we're just going to mix these two slimy ingredients together and let's see who is going to be. Now the next ingredient we're going to be needing is some miracle powder. Now you can actually order this online, guys. Miracle powder is one remedy that helps so much in removing pimples, blackheads. It helps to remove brown spots and stretch mark, and it also helps to maintain the skin elasticity, therefore tighten up the saggy breast. Now we're going to be putting in just a little of the miracle powder, and this is actually going to do the job for us, guys. And also we're going to be needing some carrots, and in this we're going to be needing the carrot juice. Now carrot juice is one essential natural remedy that works also as egg white works, because it helps so much for the skin. It tightens up the pores It's tightening up the skin, and it's also ideal in firming up the sagging breast. Okay, so we're gonna be needing all of this a whole lot. And then we're gonna be needing some cabbage leaf. Now cabbage leaf is cooling in nature, and it also contains vitamin E that helps to retain the skin elasticity. So because it contains vitamin E, it's going to be perfect in firming up the skin and also help to reduce inflammations and also saggy skin. So it's going to be ideal in helping us for the sagging boobs. I'm going to be creating the carrots. Alright, so we're gonna try to get the carrot juice, but for you to get enough of carrot juice, guys, you have to blend carrots so you can get enough of the juice. But for this particular one I'm actually doing right now, well, I'm gonna get just small of the juice, but let's keep our finger crossed and hope I get plenty of juice to serve the purpose. Okay, so I'm gonna be taking another of this bowl, and then I'll have to transfer this into the bowl. Then we're just going to strain it out. Okay, so we actually have a little bit of the carrot juice. So now we're gonna be taking this in and then turning in a little bit of the carrot juice inside the then we're just gonna stir, give this a thorough stir and mix very well so that the miracle powder can actually just mix inside of this. Okay, and it's gonna be less slimy. The more you stir it and mix it, the less slimy it's gonna be. Alright, so this is your boobs tightening remedy. So when we're demonstrating it, I'm just going to show you how you're going to be using the cabbage also. Okay, I hope everything is okay. Yes. Alright guys, so here is the ingredients. They'll see. Okay, and I'm gonna be applying this, and this is how it is. Very slimy, and that is actually what you want. Okay, that's actually what is gonna work for you, and you're gonna apply it onto your boobs. Okay, I'm actually just showing you guys this so you can actually just go and do this. So it's going to be very slimy, and then you're going to use that to walk it through your boobs, massage it really well. Okay, and then you're good to go, guys. So this is actually you're going to massage this for like 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, you massage it very well. Okay, so when you're done massaging this, then you can take your cabbage leaf, and then you take just one of this leaf like this. You have to refrigerate it so it can work really well. Then you have to like cover your boobs with this. Okay, it's gonna be so cooling and so chilling. Then you use your bra to hold that, and then you open up the next cabbage leaf. You cover your boobs with that. Okay, so that is actually gonna be so cooling, just like it is right now. Like, it's so cooling, guys. All right, so after you've done this, you can put on your bra, stay with this for a couple of minutes, for like 30 minutes to 1 hour. Okay, it's something that you have to do before you actually take your bath, or maybe in the evening. Okay, so you can either do it in the evening or in the morning, and then you leave it there for a couple of hours. You have to wear a sports bra that will grab all of your boobs inside of it, just with this cabbage leaf in it covered, and then you would leave it there for a couple of minutes, and after that then you can go remove everything. Like, I don't want to get rid of it, it's so cooling right now. Alright guys, so when you store this ingredient, it's gonna with days begin to lose its sliminess, but it's not going to lose the functionality, okay, of it. Is just going to lose just the sliminess, and that is actually okay. Okay, so what you do is that you have to apply this treatment on your boobs for a couple of weeks, like every evening for a couple of weeks. Okay, and it's just gonna be very helpful. It's actually very slimy and very friendly and very soft. Okay, so basically guys, that's just a very simple, effective and home remedy to tighten up your saggy boobs. All of the ingredients are not difficult to find. Okay, it's something you can actually buy and it's something you can actually order. Okay, so that's it. If you did love the video, please don't forget to hit on the like button and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Share this video guys if you did love it, and turn on the bell beside the subscribe button. That way you will be notified when I upload a new video. If you want to ask me any questions, do that on my website. The link will be at my description box and at my comment section. Alright, I'll see you